So the next thing I need to show you is to draw the data, the same data here by the R script visualization. So this is called the native Power BI chart, but then if you in some cases R script visualization can be better or more flexible than the native one, and then we can just choose one of them. So in order to draw the R script, you do the same thing. So for the first thing is to click on the R script, and then it will, because this the scripting function in all the platform can be very dangerous. So you have to make sure that this is you enable so meaning that in the beginning the script will be disabled to prevent your computer from malware, but then if you actually trust the script, you can enable the script first, and then you can you can do something on the script. So if you need the data, you just check on the columns, and you can see the column will be here. So these will be the column you put inside the chart as script chart. And it will be on the variable called the data set. Okay, so if you want to preview the data, you can use the grid table function to preview the data set. But then the grid table function will not even in the standard set of the standard library, so you can have to include the library. In this case, the library name um, is grid extra. Okay, so if you have the grid extra already, then you can just display the result in here. Okay, so that's all the column you put inside here. So basically, it just show the table. Now, if you want to turn the table into the chart, you need another one uh, called the another library called the ggplot tool, and then this one mm, you can draw the chart as well. So in this case, I will use the function main. I, I will define the main function here, which use the, so I will use the global data frame, and I will bind the data frame with the data set, and then I just uh, display the data. Okay, so this one is the trick in order to just define the to just combine all the function all the expression or the statement into one function, and then later you can just call the function or use function. Okay, so in this case, because I bind the GDF to, I shorten the name dataset to the GDF here, so I use the GDF instead. Now if I call main like this, it will run the main function for me, and then it has the same result. Okay, so in this case, they are the same. There's nothing new in here. Now I start to change this one into something different. So I will draw the graph G, which is will be the ggplot of the GDF, and then plus the plus the geom bar of the in this case I will bind the x-axis of the chart will do the fy, the y-axis of the chart will do the value, and then the field the legend will be the store, and then I use the statistical identity function, and then I will have the chart in this case. I need to print the chart first to show it on the screen, and then it look like this. Okay, so the chart is behind already, in here, behind already, but then because you print mm, the table in front like this, and therefore you cannot see the chart. So in uh, a script, if you want to disable one function, one line, you just put the hash tags in front of the line, and then it will keep it the line there, but it doesn't work on the line anymore. Okay, so after this, and then you can see there are two different, they are the same thing, but you can see here the central is at the bottom here, but then this central is on top, and then the south is this one, and then the north is in here in the middle. Okay, so the order will be different. Later we will work on on the order, but for now you can see there are two charts, and this one come from the native chart of Power BI. So you can see, if you click in here, you can see the chart is in this one, which is the stacked column chart. But then if you click on this one, you will see this is the R script visualization chart. So they are the different chart, but they present the same thing. Now I will customize this one a little bit. I want to make uh, the value here disappear, and then this one disappear. I don't want, and then the store will be at the bottom, the legend at the bottom. So I will have to modify this one by g plus plus the first one is uh, the labels. In this case, x I will set to now, and then it will disappear the x, and y the same thing now, and then after I run this one, it will give me the clean uh, it will give me the clean view of without this title in here and this title in here. There you go. So disappear already. So in Power BI, if you want to do that, you can just type the word title in here. And then you uncheck this one and uncheck this one, it will also remove the titles for you. Okay, so the second one would be I want to put the legend here at the bottom, and then the few the stores here also disappear, so I need to put the field in store equal to nows. In this one, it will remove the word store in here, but then it's still keep the title on the right, but I want it at the bottom, so I need to plus one more thing, which is the theme of the chart, which is legend position, go to the bottom. Okay, and then after this, if I run the chart, it will give me the legend in here. Okay, so the similar thing can be done in here. I just need to search for the legend. So I remove the title in here. I just search for the legend, and I disable the title in here, and then I put the uh, legend to the bottom. Okay, so they are the same thing, and now you can compare them line for line. Okay, so hopefully after this video, you know how to draw the bar charts in different method. So if you have the native chart inside Power BI, then you can draw this. But if you use the other platform, for example, Alteryx or RStudio, or maybe Spotify as well, and then they don't have the native bar chart, and you can still use our script to draw those chart.